Ola mpintsha mesakasi mfethu rizu fikile namhlanje mpintshana mfethu ngikutshelile ukuthi uzabuya
Ola patsula tshwara sigurut bas
odila mpintshana tamati tapole 3 tigers ulungetswe mpintshana
5 tigers
osh.
It's year 2020 and the world has been hit by an unforgiving epidemic. World Health Organization has recorded over 2.3 million cases of coronavirus infections with over 161,000 fatalities worldwide. The government of Botswana, among other governments, has encouraged extreme social distancing as a way to combat this epidemic.
Wow, ya kayo tsutlwa go tere ska tlala mo strateng mo go tletse di corona mo ne fe. Leta wa tla go phanda kwa ga go sqodilo ka le leta ka tsamela ga ka puso tle ke we di tšatši da leta. Wow, mella.
My favorite place on heaven and earth is next to you.
The symptoms of coronavirus include coughing, fever, shortness of breath. If you or your loved one shows any of these signs or is suspected to have been in contact with an infected person, dial 997. Isolate and wait for medical assistance. Together, we can win this battle.